What? Hey guys, what's up?
What's up?
Today I'm with. Introduce yourself, man.
Dizzy! I'm taking my name to extinction, so don't search it up.
Dizzy what? Like, was it Dizzy Pry?
Dizzy Pre.
Okay, Dizzy Pre. My mouse is lagging again. No, don't do this like in the last video. Last video, my mouse started lagging so bad. I was playing Bed Wars. Today we're playing factions and what is? What?
And we're gonna try to raid. We're gonna try.
This is my first time. This is my first time playing factions. I never played factions, so I don't know what raid means.
Raid basically means you want to kill people stuff. So you get OP.
Because I never played it.
Basically that's what people are gonna do to us.
So this is our base right now. I did all the furnaces. He's doing the chests.
Yeah. We're gonna have crafting tables all on the floor, which is probably gonna be really annoying.
Yeah. Also, we have a trap outside where we TP people to us, and if they accept it, we can knock them into this hole, and we can take all their items.
Yeah. Oh, can we do it right now?
Let's go. But hold on, wait a second. Wait. Go back.
I'm gonna make a little staircase with it.
Hold on. I'm gonna make a little thing. We can get to it. Okay, there. We can get to it now. Hunt.
Oh, this is annoying. We have to break the blocks kind of.
Oh God, this is gonna be so annoying.
What
Okay.
is the thing? This isn't it.
No, because I blocked it up
Oh.
by accident. I blocked it up by accident.
Well, not really by accident. I told you to because the
It's not lagging. That's good. I'm so glad it's not lagging. We made we were recording on your. Can you move? We were recording. So guys, we were recording on Dizzy's channel, and his video like lagged.
Yeah.
Like he teleported.
Yeah, I have hacks. I'm sorry.
Wait, what?
Don't report me to Microsoft.
Dude, if we had the X-ray stuff, dude, I'm calling Microsoft right now, dude.
No.
And you're like, and then you're like, no, don't ban me from Minecraft.
Well, dude, dirt. We're at dirt right now.
Hold on.
Is this even our hole? This isn't even it.
Ah, my Minecraft lag.
Oh, this is our hole. Bruh,
What
hurry
the
up.
heck?
We're gonna do it. Make sure to eat your golden apple. You gotta eat your apple, dude.
Dude, wait.
I'm trying to trap someone right now. Oh.
What the heck is happening?
Okay, I think you should stop recording.
No, oh, never mind. Whew.
Okay, so we're gonna trap someone. I'm gonna be doing the TP. Right when he gets here, we're just gonna hit him. Okay?
Wait, dude, it was right here, dude. It was right here. It was right here.
What do you mean right here?
This was our old one. Our old one.
What?
Should I block it up?
Okay, block it.
I'm gonna use dirt so it doesn't look suspicious. Are you gonna use dirt?
Yeah, okay. Now that one we're gonna keep there for now because so I'm gonna do the TPA. Wait, did I just... Okay, no. Okay. I don't know if this is going here, but...
I almost fell in that hole.
And you could just be flashback.
But if dude, what if I fell in the hole and you just come in and take all my stuff?
That would die also.
But remember, you said we can dig down.
Okay. Slash TPA here.
Dude, we need torches. We need coal.
I did it random. I'm literally doing it. Don't move.
Wait, hold on. I'm not. Wait.
Please accept it. Please accept it.
Dude, if
This
you,
guy's AFK.
dude, okay, I'm gonna come with you. Imagine he just accepts it and he just looks around. We just hit him.
So slash TPA here. And random. Chaos has been chosen to die. Eat a apple, dude. If I say eat a apple, then eat it. Don't eat it yet. You didn't come.
Whenever I press tab, my Minecraft just lags. Whenever I press tab for some reason.
Don't
Y tab. Why did you do this to me? Why did I even click that? Oh, there's your name. Where's me? Wow, I'm not in there.
Slash TPA here. Come on, randomizer. Curve or orbit. Curve orbit. When I say eat a apple, you better eat that apple.
Wait, hold on. My Minecraft just lagged. It's not responding.
I already spawned this guy. He didn't come yet. Oh, he said why? I'm gonna say raid.
Wait, did you kill him already?
No, curve orb. He said why? Come, we raiding. This is basically we're trapping him. Slash TPA here.
This is gonna be so funny. But dude, get closer to the hole. Get closer. So we can like knock him off. One hit.
You already sent it to him. He's coming!
Oh, yes! Eat your, I'm eating my apple.
Eat the apple.
You just moved. He's not here because you.
Coming, though. Oh, I picked another request, that's why. Wait, slash TPA here. We're trapping. Oh, I already sent him one. He's not accepting it.
Pew pew.
There's orb.
Alright, I'm going back to the house. Or the base.
No, he's gonna come, dude.
What if he doesn't?
Oh, I know how to create a faction now.
How do you create a faction?
Slash F create. I'm creating the faction, dude.
Bite me.
Faction tag. Slash F create. What should I call it? Be called?
I don't know. Call it.
Magical orb.
That sounds so weird.
You created a new faction. Slash F. Slash F.
Oh my god.
He's coming.
Lag just saved me. I jumped in a hole and lag just saved me.
He's coming.
I'm right here. So like. He's not, I don't know what you.
What the heck?
He's not even here.
On my screen.
I don't know if you're.
Just on my screen, Twitter.
I don't know if you're blind.
Bruh, he was here. I swear. Okay. Oh, Success, he is online.
Who?
The owner. That's the owner.
No, why did I do it? I pressed tab again. Okay.
Okay, I'm doing slash TPA. Slash TPA here. What was his name?
I don't know.
Oh, something orb. Dang yeah.
Dude, we need a.
Orb.
We should make a farm.
Slash TPA. TPA here. Curve orb. Come on, we need to stuff curve orb. When I say to eat your, just eat your apple when I say.
Alright.
I'm not gonna move at all. Wait, I'm gonna move right here.
You just moved.
No, he didn't come yet. Bro, are you gonna be here to help me?
Dude, he's not gonna come.
He accepted it! Look, come! Bro, he accepted it.
Dude, don't not kill him.
He accepted it.
Don't, I see him.
Oh, he has no stuff. Don't. There's no stuff. He has no stuff. There's no stuff. Don't. There's no stuff.
I know.
Should we give him some stuff? Should we give him some stuff?
Wait, are we teaming with him for real?
Oh, I know why. He's not using his armor because he thinks he's gonna kill him.
Dude, like right here, dude. Like.
But.
Are we actually
You know
teaming?
we're at Brayson, so there's no point anymore. If he goes in there, he's dying.
But dude, wait, should we actually team with him?
No, I don't trust him at all.
I mean, we don't have.
Anyone here. They're not your friend, don't trust them, dude.
I don't know. Should I just? I really want to kill him.
I'm gonna give him a kit.
Dude, I really want to kill him. I really want to kill him.
So I'm gonna give him the kit daily. I'm gonna give him the kit daily so he can trust us. I'm giving him the kit daily.
Wait, should we kill him?
No.
Wait, what kit are you using? What kit are you using?
We can use that for the PvP arena.
Dude, what kit are you using?
What?
What kit are you using?
Oh, the kit daily, right? The
Yeah.
normal one.
Should we kill him?
Yeah. Oh, no, we're gonna go to the arena. Tell him. Okay, I'm gonna tell him. First, or me going to arena. He's coming. If he doesn't come, then we have to kill him. Because we can just do flashback. And then he'll be at our base.
I just want to kill him right now.
He said no. Hold on. I know a way. What do you mean no way?
I want to kill him. Oh. I think he just spawned.
He knows where our base is. He knows where our base is.
I want to kill him.
Slash F. What can I do? Slash... I'm trying to invite you to it. Slash F.
Imagine he just comes with OP stuff and wrecks us.
Oh, he's definitely doing that. Because he's going to do flashback.
Dang. Dude, we really need torches. That's what we really need.
Yeah, I know. If I say he's here, they kill him. What if I invited you to my faction. Accept it.
Where?
Chat. It should be in chat.
Okay, I joined. Why did you name it Magical Orb?
We can't hit each other anymore. Look.
Dang.
Yes.
Imagine you accidentally invite him to the faction.
Bro, I would kick him. Oh, wait. I'm going to set this as a faction home.
Is that like a cave?
F set home.
Wait.
F.
I'm in someone's territory.
Oh, he said accept my TP. He's trying to trap us. Dude. Should I accept it?
Wait, tell him are you gonna kill us?
Again. Tell him to do it again. I'm YOLOing it. He might kill us, but you know.
Dude, just run. Should you what are you gonna do? Like run?
Oh, because when he sees me, the person's screen stops, so he's gonna be able to hit me if he is trapping me. I told him to send it again. Slash dude. TPA.
He's a can't. He said he's can't.
Okay. Tell him I'm Extinction's friend. I'm his friend, and he said that he wants you to talk in chat. And right when he does talk in chat, I'm gonna do it, because that means he's occupied on something. Like get curve orb to talk in chat.
Okay.
Just say curve orb. I have something for you or something like that.
Okay. How do I spell his name? Wait. Curved orb? Like space orb?
No, just type it in chat. Just say curve orb.
Orb.
Come on, dude.
I did it. Now what? Caved orb. What do I do now? What do I say?
No, send it say it in chat. Like say curve orb. You want a team or something?
You.
Get him to talk. Just get him to talk in chat. Get him to talk in chat.
Alright, I said it.
Okay. Slash TPA. Right when I see him talk in chat, I'm accepting it. And I might kill him. He's waiting for me. Right when he talks, I'm going in. I'm just gonna do it. Didn't let me do it.
Dude, I'm gonna end the video soon.
Well, I guess that was the end of the video.
This is the end of it. Dude, come over here. Come next to me. Ending.
No.
Stop. Okay, guys, if you like this video, subscribe for more videos. Subscribe to his channel.
Right now. If you don't like this video, watch me find where you live.
Subscribe to him, Dizzy. You want to spell out his...
If you don't subscribe to me, I'll find where you live.
Alright, bye.